Hey guys, I'm David Rico of Barber Surgeons in downtown Fullerton, and I got a bunch, but not all, of Suavecito's shave products to talk to you about today. First up, and in no particular order, is the original Suavecito Shave Cream. This stuff is pre-whipped, so you don't need a brush to lather it up. It's already gonna be airy and fluffy. It has a nice natural peppermint smell that's soothing and refreshing. So it's nice when you got that hot water after a shower or just from the sink, and you mix that peppermint in. It's very refreshing. It's easy to apply. This is a really good one I like as a consumer to give to customers, or for customers to purchase that, easy to use, easy to wash off, gives you good lather. Super simple. Moving up from there, later came the Premiumb blend shaving cream. So this one, obviously in the tube, still easy to apply. This stuff goes a long way. A little bit will last a really long time. Easy to pop it out, just like toothpaste, take a tiny bit. I'd seriously say even that much could get your whole face done going with and against the grain. This stuff lathers up, keeps going. It's awesome. They also have a key to help you squeeze every bit of that wonderful shaving cream out so you can use every drop. So you have a little Premiumb blends key that you can use to twist it up and make sure you're squeezing it out, or if you're just OCD like I am and you don't like to squeeze from the middle, making sure that it's always going from the top to the opening. So that's kind of nice. Again, ease of use. I'm really big on this one. And a cool side note for the barbers, you could actually use some of this stuff in your lather machine if you wanted to. It's maybe not the most cost effective, but it does lather up really nice in the machine. And also, for the barber in the shop, for detail work, everybody's familiar with shave gels. This stuff is real easy to use, pumps out clear, everything's transparent. It's not exactly a lather like the soapy shave creams, but it lathers up. Again, this stuff, you can wet it, it comes back still nice and smooth. It'll keep going. Maybe not as long as Premiumb blends, but it'll definitely last a few strokes of the razor. And then just for the barbers, this stuff is a concentrated shave cream. So this is for your lather machines. Same way you would use the stuff, whatever you're using in your lather machine. Is real easy. Pour a little cap full, 4 ounces of water, put it in the lather machine, and it comes out nice, frothy, and ready to go. Again, just like it, for your own preference, you could do more or less, just getting the consistency that you're looking for. The first of the 4 shaving products we're talking about is the original shave cream. We only need a little bit because we're just gonna show a small section just so you can see all 4 of them at the same time. I don't need to lather it up a ton on my hands because, like I said, it's already pre-whipped. I'm gonna spread it out on this quarter, this half of the neck. It's really smooth. You can feel how light it is because of it being whipped. The only reason I really rub it on my hand is just so it's not cold when I'm putting it right on the skin. You can see the coverage there. And then the shave gel, applying liberally to the points that I need, just to clean up this line on the top of the beard. We're gonna use some of the Premiumb blends shave cream. This one in the really easy to use tube. So it'll have a seal when you first open it up, but the point on the cap, when you take it off, you just flip it around, poke through the seal. You can see it coming out. This stuff you can use to lather in a bowl or you can use without. I'm just really gonna take a tiny bit because this goes a really long way and I'm not even using it on his full face at all. So I'm gonna put this on the other half. You can see, you know, without water or anything, it just lathers up a lot. On this last quarter on top, we're gonna use Suavecito's liquid shave cream. This stuff is for the lather machine. So I already have it pre-mixed, same recipe you're used to, you know, to mix it in your lather machine. Take a cap full, 4 ounces of water. Of course, you can always play with it, whatever your preference. Take that section off and you'll see what I mean. Take a little bit of water, and you can feel how slick it is and it starts lathering up again. So even though I do like the lather machine, using the shave cream, you know, in the lather machine, because you get the warmth and it's fluffy and it feels good when you apply it, I really do like using this just because it goes on and on and on. It gives you a decent visibility where you can't really see through this, or, you know, the classic shave cream that's already pre-whipped is initially harder to see through. This stuff kind of has a good balance of both worlds. The foam from the lather machine up top, don't mind leaving this. You can see it's still foamy after it's been sitting for a minute. I'm kind of working it in, wiping it away just so I can see better. Over here we have that original pre-whipped. Still feels smooth and buttery in the beginning, just like it did on the other side. The only difference I would say is because it's not concentrate, because it's already whipped, is that after you do these first strokes, you'll feel it dissipate a lot more, which it should. Like I said, I feel like this is more for you folks at home for personal use because of the ease of applying and the functionality and how it cleans off real easy. You can see it's still slippery. I could definitely still make another pass here, but you can't see the white anymore the way you could on the other side. You can't see it lathering up again, but it definitely is still slick. It's still there. All right, and this last section up here up top, we have that shave gel. Because it's so good at doing its job, you kind of want to be careful. You know, you don't need too much because it won't go away. So a little bit goes a long way. I mean, no big deal. You just wind up having to wash it off. But even though it looks clean, if I run my wet hand over there, you can see it all come back into play. So you can see it's still coming off. So again, you had your shave gel for visibility. We had the original pre-whipped. Got hot foam over here. And we had the Premiumb blends down here. All work really well. Everything's nice and smooth. Still able to let me see to get a clear line. All right, once again, I'm David Rico of Barber Surgeons in downtown Fullerton. Hope this video on Suavecito shave products kind of helps you narrow down which ones are gonna work best for you.